friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious strawberry cheesecake for Valentines that I know you guys are really going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious strawberry cheesecake, these are the ingredients. For the cake portion, we're going to need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 1/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 of a cup of milk, 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, vanilla extract or vanilla paste, strawberry extract, color and flavor, 2 cream cheese bars, and 6 room temperature eggs. Let's make this amazing and delicious cheesecake at home for your beautiful and loved ones. Let's get started. First things first, getting ready my baking dish. Well, of course, I'm going to add some foil paper right on the bottom because this baking dish is the ones that you could open from the sides. And of course, I am going to add a little bit of the baking spray right in the center. And I'm going to use another baking dish right on the bottom. Let's put it aside and let's start making the strawberry cake portion. I have the oil, the milk, the sour cream, the sugar, the strawberry extract and flavor, aroma, and color. And of course, to this, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste and 3 eggs. I am going to incorporate it really good. I have preheated my oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Of course, getting nice and hot. And here I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour, baking soda, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to incorporate it really good. Remember that our baking dish is already prepared and ready for this mixture. I'm just going to mix away for about 2 to 3 minutes until everything has been combined completely. Once this is nice and creamy and there's no lumps, I'm ready to pour. It's going to go in the oven for about 20 minutes, no more than 20 minutes. While that's in the oven, I'm preparing the cheesecake mixture. I'm adding 2 bars of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of sour cream, 1 cup of sugar, granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, vanilla paste or vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon. I am going to incorporate it really good until it's nice and smooth. Once this is nice and smooth, don't forget to clean the edges of your bowl. Here I'm going to add 3 room temperature eggs, and I am going to continue mixing. Remember, you really want this to be really nice and creamy, not lumpy, nice and creamy. Don't forget to clean the edges of your bowl. You really want to incorporate all the cream cheese and all those amazing flavors. Once everything is nice and creamy, we're going to get our cake out of the oven and we are going to pour this right on top of it. We are going to leave the cake, the strawberry cake, only for 20 minutes on the oven. Then we are ready to pull it out and add this creamy and delicious cheesecake mixture. Look at this. You could even see the little specks of the vanilla paste. Well, now I am ready. I took it out of the oven and now I'm ready to add the mixture of the cream cheese right on the top. Of course, I am going to put some water on the baking dish on the bottom and I'm going to take it to the oven for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I'm taking it out and I have the topping ready. 1 cup of sour cream, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla paste. I am going to really mix this really good by hand with a whisk. You really just want to have it nice and creamy. Incorporate really good the sugar and the vanilla paste into the sour cream. When this is nice and smooth and everything is incorporated, you're ready to pour right on top of your cheesecake. Your oven is still at 350. Reduce the heat to 325 Fahrenheit. Once you reduce it, then you're ready to pour the sour cream mixture right on the top of the cheesecake. There's no need to cover it, okay? Just pour it on top, right on the top, and you could leave the foil on or leave it without. I love leaving it on. I'm just going to add the sour cream on the top. I'm going to take it to the oven for only 15 minutes, 325. Look at this. Let's leave it in the oven for only 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, we're going to let it rest for a couple minutes. Put it in your refrigerator for about 2 hours. And then we are going to decorate. Yes, you want to decorate your strawberry cheesecake. But first, I want to just cut some strawberries, slice them right through the center. Of course, there's no need for decoration, but this cake is for Valentine's. So, of course, I'm going to add my favorite fruit, strawberries. I am ready to take it out, put it on the plate, and of course, add the decoration right on the top. Let me tell you, once you make this amazing strawberry cheesecake, you're going to love it. The portion on the bottom, the bread is really moist, really fluffy. The cheesecake, nice and creamy. And the topping, oh my God, to die for. Well, here you could see how beautiful this cake came out. And of course, it is time to cut. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And look how beautiful this came out. If you don't like the crumbs, the cookie crumbs on the bottom of your cheesecake, well, this is a perfect recipe for you. Look how amazing and how creamy this looks. The layers look perfect. Of course, I am ready to taste. I am ready to enjoy. And I wish you guys were here. Look at this amazing strawberry cheesecake. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing strawberry cheesecake. Look at this. Look how creamy this is. This is just amazing. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So creamy. Just amazing. My friends, this cheesecake came out so delicious. The bread on the bottom is really fluffy. The cream cheese mixture, amazing. And the sour cream mixture, just perfection made at home. Excuse me. So delicious. Make it for Valentine's. Enjoy it with your beautiful family. Thank you for being here. Like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. See you soon. Make this amazing cheesecake. You're going to love it. Bye-bye.